A student has 2 books. The first book weighs B pounds. The second book weighs 3 7/8 pounds. Together, the 2 book weighs 8 1/4 pounds. Which equation and solution represents this situation? So, if this book and this book are going to weigh that many pounds, then we could say B plus 3 7/8 is going to equal 8 1/4 of a pound. Now, that's the equation. So right now we could say, nope, not A, and nope, not D. Now, B and C are both still in the air. What we need to do is solve this equation. So, in order to isolate the B, we're going to subtract 3 7/8 from both sides. Subtract 3 7/8 from both sides. Now what I have is 8 1/4 minus 3 7/8. That's tough. So I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to do that. Now, this is the part of the PSSAs where you're probably allowed to use your calculator, but I just want to do the long way because it's good for us and it helps us understand things and reminds us of everything. It's just very important. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to turn these both into mixed numbers. So if I want to turn 8 1/4 into a mixed number, you multiply these two numbers right here. 8 times 4 is 32, and add that 1. So 32 plus 1 is 33, 33 over 4. Now we're going to subtract 3 7/8. So if I want to do the same thing, 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31, so 31 over 8. Now, I can't subtract these fractions yet because these two denominators are different. However, if I multiply this fraction by 2 on the numerator and 2 in the denominator, then I will have 8 in the denominator and I'll be good to go. So let's move that over here. So 66 over 8 minus 31 over 8. Now we can subtract across the numerator. 66 minus 31 is going to be 35, and then you leave 8 exactly the way it is. Now this is an improper fraction. I need to turn this into a mixed number. So the way we do that is we divide 8 into 35. 8 does go into 35 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. 35 minus 32 is 3, so we end up with a remainder of 3. And the way we write that out as a mixed number is that 4 is our whole number, so we'll put a big 4 right there. That remainder is our numerator, and the original 8 is going to remain the denominator. So we end up with 4 3/8 pounds, which matches up with B, and so the answer is B.